In this video, I will show how to make cover page design in MS Word. So click on File, New, and here search cover. Press Enter. So you will see some cover style. So select any style which you like. There is a list of cover pages. You can create a cover for anything like book or any template article. Or type here book cover if you need to write book cover and press enter and select it, create and make changes as you need. You can change the name, address and design in three color. Another way, in design, in insert you will see the option cover page. Click this drop down and also here is the list and you will get a simple cover. You can get more cover pages from office.com, so click on it and here you can select it. Title, subtitle, date, name and company name. So this is the way guys, in just 1 minute using this ready to use template you can create and you can make the cover in MS Word and you can get the ideas from these styles and designs. Just select it and make changes as you need, like color or styles. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.